Movie camera title: The Man Who Survived Both Atomic Bombs. Tsutomu Yamaguchi's unbelievable true story. In August 1945, the world witnessed a level of destruction it had never seen before. The first atomic bomb fell on Hiroshima. Among the chaos was a 29-year-old Japanese engineer named Tsutomu Yamaguchi. He was just hours away from finishing a business trip when the sky lit up with a blinding flash. The blast threw him to the ground. His face and arms were severely burned, his eardrums ruptured, but somehow Yamaguchi survived. Staggering through the ruins, he made it to a train station and boarded a train home to Nagasaki. 3 days later, as he described the horrors of Hiroshima to his coworkers, the second atomic bomb exploded. Yamaguchi was less than 2 miles from ground zero again. This time, he survived twice. Doctors were astonished. His injuries were real and painful, but his will to live was stronger. In 2009, the Japanese government officially recognized him as the only known person to survive both atomic bombings. Tsutomu Yamaguchi lived to the age of 93, spending his final years speaking against nuclear weapons. His life is proof of the unimaginable strength of the human spirit, and a warning of the destruction mankind can unleash. CTA, backhand index pointing right: history isn't just about the past. It's a lesson for the future. Stay curious, stay informed, and keep watching No TV for more unbelievable true stories.